from London.
My sister asked, why?
When have you started representing London? Previously you had occupied 2 countries, Germany and Turkey. And now you have also occupied the 3rd country in the sense that you are representing them.
I asked them to send me, to give me questions.
Asked whom?
So many people.
I see.
For Likarmala.
Okay. So you are representing yourself, you stay here now.
Yes.
Right.
Why don't the Shiites believe in the first 3 Khalifas after the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
It is wrong. Hazrat Ali believed in all the 3 Khalifas. He extended his hat for performing bad of each of the first 3 Khalifas. So if Shiites follow him, they should follow him in everything. So there is no justification for not accepting the first 3 Kholofa.